Welcome back, beautiful people. In part one, we talked about how your digestive, circulatory, immune, and nervous systems can impact your health with sickle cell. Today, we're going to just wrap up this series, short and concise two-part series with 5 more body systems that, when supported, can potentially help to prevent a crisis and boost your energy levels. Let's talk about oxygen. Your respiratory system brings in oxygen that your red blood cells carry to the rest of the body. If your breathing is shallow or your lungs are compromised, then you can start to get tired faster and your red blood cells start to clump together. So to help prevent this, deep diaphragmatic breathing, good air quality, and even exercise all help to improve this flow. Now to your urinary system, your kidneys, bladder, ureters. Hydration equals filtration. It helps to eliminate toxins and balance electrolytes. So pay attention to your urine, the color, smell, and frequency. Actually, by the way, you should be paying attention to your stools in the same manner because your body is talking to you with these symptoms. And if you are not paying attention or listening, then this can lead to other undesired effects and symptoms. So please make sure that you take note to your urine and your bowels in terms of color, smell, and frequency. Next up, your hormones. The glandular system regulates your mood, stress, metabolism, and even pain response. So if you're in a constant state of stress, your hormones will burn out. And this is when inflammation and depression and mental health issues can become more frequent. And what about your bones? Red blood cells are made in the bone marrow. Every time you have a crisis, it is not only painful, it is depleting. So help to support your bones and your entire musculoskeletal system with whole foods, strengthening exercises, which I cannot stress enough. It does help with your bone density, and it will definitely help as you grow into your older years. Also, ditching dairy, more often than not, it is not serving you. So let whole natural foods and herbs be your medicine. Lastly, your reproductive system, the keeper of life. Whether you are thinking about fertility or just want to keep your hormones balanced, this system is deeply connected with both the endocrine and the urinary system. And sickle cell can definitely affect fertility in both men and women, but support and nourishment can make all the difference. Think of this as a map. Which systems have you been struggling with the most? You want to start there and then provide that system with more nourishment, more attention, and more love. And we know that all organs and systems work together, but there may be a little bit of a break in the chain where we need to recognize and to adjust some things that we're doing. And so adjusting the most compromised area can allow that organ or system to become more stronger, more healthier, so it can function more optimally on its own, as well as with all other body functions. Your body is always communicating with you. If you are breathing, your body's communicating with you. Your body's probably saying something to you right now and you're just ignoring it. But it is up to us to recognize this, okay? So when we're going about our day, sometimes we may feel, a little symptom here or just experience something in our body that it's not so intense for us to actually do something about it. It may pass, or we may think, okay, that's just going to go away. That's just a little nudge or whisper from our body letting us know that it may not be okay with something and we need to adjust something. And if we do not do that, then it becomes more in your face, and then you may not be able to ignore those symptoms. So it's up to us to recognize those little subtle whispers that our body gives us so that we can adjust what we're doing or eating or thinking or speaking. It all comes together. When you listen, you nourish and respond, your body begins to heal. Not perfectly, not overnight, but gradually. Download your free body systems questionnaire if you haven't already, and mark down those systems that you need to focus on. Take charge of your health. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, or if you'd like me to go a little bit deeper in any of the topics discussed, let me know in the comments or share it with someone who you feel would benefit from the information. Thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Blessings.